Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to delete cookies and browsing history in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and now click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll down and here you can see the option Safari. Click on Safari and then scroll down and here you can see the option clear history and website data. Click on it and here you can select here time frame, last or today and yesterday and all history. And if you want to delete cookies and browsing history, then simply clear history, and after clearing your history and website data, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to delete cookies and browsing history in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.